Hello and welcome to Startup Sales classes. Today we are going to solve one question from quantitative aptitude. Quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring and easy portion also, as it doesn't contain any conceptual complexity rather than it only requires your computational and numerical skills. So let's start with the problem. We're given that 4 men and 10 women were put on a work. They completed one-third of the work in 4 days. After this, 2 men and 2 women were increased. They completed 2/9 more of the work in 2 days. If the remaining work is to be completed in 3 days, then how many more women must be increased? Suppose one man take X days to complete the work. One man take X days to complete the work. Okay. And one woman takes Y days to complete the work independently. And one woman takes Y days to complete the work independently. Now we can say that if one man takes X days to complete the whole work, suppose number of days, and here we have work done. So for one man, X days required to complete the whole work. Suppose the whole work is denoted by 1. Then in 4 days, how much of work uh, he can uh, complete? Okay. So it results in 4 by X. Therefore, for 4 men, the result will be 4 into 4 divided by X. Similarly, for one woman, number of days and work done. For women, we use the same method to find the how much work she can complete in 4 days. We assume that she required Y days to complete the whole work. Therefore, in 4 days, she completed 4 by Y work. Okay. It is for one woman. Therefore, we have 10 women, and 10 women can complete 4 into 10 by Y of work in 4 days. And by the question it is given that 4 into 4 divided by X plus 4 into 10 divided by Y is equals to 1/3 of work. Okay. Now we increase the number of men and number of women by 2. Therefore, we now have 6 men and 12 women. Therefore, we can write that, and we are also given that after increasing the number of workers, they completed 2/9 more of the work in 2 days. Hence, we can write that 6 men can complete the work in 2 days. How much work 6 men complete in 2 days and how much work 12 women complete in 2 days, and after adding the individual work done, we get 2/9 of work. Okay, therefore we get two equations, equation 1, equation 2, and after solving these two equations we get, solving these two equations we get x equals to 108 and y is equals to 216. Now we are asked that if the remaining work is to be completed in 3 days, then how many more women must be increased? Let Z women be added to complete the work in 3 days. Be added to complete the work in 3 days. Okay. Therefore, we can say that 6 into 3 divided by 108 plus 3 into 12 plus Z divided by 216, as we already solve the values of x and y, already get the values of x and y, therefore we can write that 6 into 3 divided by 108 plus 3 into 12 plus z divided by 216 is equals to the remaining work. That means we already done 1/3 and 2/9 of work, hence the remaining work is 4/9 of the total work, and this results in 36 plus 36 plus 3z is equals to 216 multiplied by 4 divided by 9, and which results in 96. Therefore 3z is equals to 96 minus 72, which is 24, and hence z is equals to 8. So the required answer for this question is 8. Hence the option 2 is the correct answer. So this is the solution for this question, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us. These are the contact number of ours: 9836793076 and 9874822756. And you can also check our website for further details. So thank you very much.